Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the introduction to clustering. What is meant by clustering? Clustering is nothing but grouping of data. The grouping of data, it will be done from the data set. That particular data set, it will not have any specific outcome. The clustering is an unsupervised machine learning method. There is a difference between the supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning. Supervised machine learning, that means we are having rules and regulations. Set of rules and regulations, we have to follow them. The unsupervised machine learning means we don't have any that specific rules and regulations. We can use any kind of techniques which will solve the problem in a minimum time. Then you can consider the case you have planned to invite your friends for a dinner party which you have arranged in your home. For that, you have to choose 10 contacts from your contact list. While you are choosing a contact, you have to follow some uh, levels. Okay? That levels are you have to choose one student from your primary school, and another one will be a high school, and another member from a undergraduate, and the next one will be a graduate, and another one will be a postgraduate. The graduate means while you are studying in a college, that particular student that may belong to another department. Okay, they also got graduated. So from that also you can choose. And another one is the decimal value represents. It is a ongoing. Okay, like your junior part, junior students. The ultimate aim of this party is to introduce with one another. Okay? And for that, I have chosen the data set with 10 students. From the 10 students, we are selected based on the age category and the educational level. The one is nothing but this is a primary level, two is a high school level, okay? The five is the postgraduate. And based on this, we will group we will cluster the members. Okay? From the 10 students, we are going to cluster into two clusters. So we are grouping, first we are going to group it. In this, what I have done means, they have done means the primary and the high school and the undergraduate. Okay, UG mates are grouped in a first cluster, and the remaining members are grouped in a second cluster. And for clustering this, we will use some of the techniques, the data mining. Okay. For collecting the data itself, it will use some of the data analysis modeling task. This modeling task it will be used to perform the model or group the models. Okay. Basically, it will be categorized into two types: descriptive task and predictive task. Descriptive task means just it will give a theoretical oriented part. The predictive task, it will be used for the decision making support. And the clustering techniques, basically it will be handle this predictive task. The predictive task, it could be done with the clustering techniques in two methods, okay? Partitioning and grouping. First, what we have to do means after collecting a data set, you have to partition it, like at the educational level. Okay? Then, based on that level, you have to group it. For already we have said that the clustering will use the unsupervised techniques. Okay? Then this partitioning and grouping, this will be validated by using a clustering validation. This clustering validation, it will be validated to find a suitable number of clusters. If we need the cluster, it may be extended or it may be reduced. In our previous slide, the 10 contacts, it is categorized into two clusters, right? Just we will validate it with the help of this clustering validation. This is the another type of clustering or grouping. through the cluster validation. Here what done means just it is grouped 1 and 2. The schooling it is grouped in a one group and the undergraduate it is grouped in a second category, and the remaining rest of the thing graduates as well as the postgraduates are grouped in a third cluster. It is an alternate clustering grouping. Okay, cluster grouping, that's what. The next one is the clustering algorithm. The clustering algorithm it is categorized into 5 types: partitioner based, hierarchical, density, grid, and model based. Partitioning based basically it will be used for partitioning the data sets based on the different conditions. Like in previous example, we have seen that the educational level. Okay? Like that, here we use the K means K model. In your syllabus, the K means it will be covered. And the hierarchical based Birch Cure. Okay, these are the some of the techniques which is used in the hierarchical. And the next one is the density. Density use the DB scan optics. The DB scan it is in your syllabus. And the grid based it will be used for the viewing purpose. Okay. And the model based it will use the some of the previous specific models. The particular model it will be keep it as a input, and the rest of the things it will be grouped with comparison of this model. This is your reference, and reference is your textbook. And thank you. Thank you all.